Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on listeriosis, and this question was taken from the 2018 June DEKZN exam. So let's jump in. Read the extract below and answer the questions that follow. Listeriosis outbreak in South Africa in 2017-2018. Listeriosis is an illness caused by the bacterium Listeria monocytogenes. Listeria bacteria can grow at cold temperatures. The widespread outbreak of Listeria monocytogenes food poisoning in South Africa was a result of consuming contaminated processed meats. The foodborne illness produces fever, muscle aches, and diarrhea. Severe infections can cause headaches, meningitis, convulsions, and death. Older adults and people with weak immune systems, pregnant women, and babies have a high risk of developing life-threatening infections. As at 12 March 2018, there had been 973 confirmed infections and 183 deaths from listeriosis in South Africa. 2.2.1. Name the bacterium that causes listeriosis. Okay, so that's straight out the text. And if we go and have a look in the first paragraph, it tells us the Listeria monocytogenes. Now we have to underline it because it's a genus and species. Second question. List two symptoms of listeriosis mentioned in the extract. Now there are a few symptoms, and if we have a look in the third paragraph, they list them there. Fever, muscle aches, and diarrhea, and severe infections can cause headaches, meningitis, convulsions, and death. The question specifically asks for two, so we'll just choose any two, and I'm going to go with fever and muscle aches. 2.2.3. Name two groups of people indicated in the extract which are more likely to develop listeriosis. Again, there are a few people mentioned, but we'll only select two because that's what was asked. And in the third paragraph, it says older adults, people with weak immune systems, pregnant women, and babies have a high risk of developing listeriosis. So just choose any two. I'm going to go with pregnant women and babies. Okay. 2.2.4. State why refrigeration does not prevent contamination of food by the listeriosis bacterium. Right, again, that's also in the text. And that's in the first paragraph where they say that Listeria bacteria can grow at cold temperatures. So that also means that this particular species will thrive under cold temperatures. So the correct answer there is the fact that the Listeria bacteria can grow at cold temperatures. So okay, and the last question, 2.2.5, says, antibiotics are currently being used as a treatment for listeriosis. Explain two conditions under which the antibiotic prescribed may not be successful in treating the disease. Right. The first reason why, it could be that the bacteria mutates. So we can say mutations or mutation of the bacteria can occur, and if that occurs, it is likely to develop a resistance to the antibiotic. Develops resistance biotic. Okay. The second condition that could happen is that people may not complete the course of antibiotics. So people may not complete antibiotics. And if they don't complete the course of antibiotics, the Listeria bacteria is likely to thrive again. So we can say bacteria can thrive again. Okay. Remember with 2.2.5 to write full sentences and unpack it properly to get your full 4 marks. But all of this will give you 10 marks. And as you can see, most of it came from straight out the text. So before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description down below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic video tutorials. And if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.